салому алейкум дӯстони азиз. имрӯз ҳаво бениҳоят гарм аст ва фикр мекунам ки нашри он барномае ки мо барои шумо имрӯз омода кардем воқеан ҳам аз имрӯза ҳаво гармтар мешавад, шавқовар мегардад. имрӯз воқеан ҳам як рӯзи ғайримуқаррарӣ аст, барои ин ки мо тасмим гирифтем ки як оилаи оддии амрикоиро гирифта ба ноҳияи Кушониён барем, ба назди оилаи оддии таҷикӣ ва урфу одат анъанаҳоро нишон диҳем ва пеш аз ҳама он корҳое ки масалан дар як деҳа мекунанд одамони оддии таҷикӣ мехоҳем ки яъне ки оилаи оддии амрикоӣ ин корҳоро иҷро намоянд.
So we want to take part in this because we think that it'll be fun to learn how to work on a farm here in Tajikistan, because I feel like us as Americans, we haven't been exposed to farms and we want to really see how it is here, and because most people here work in farms and we want to know how to work on the land and enjoy that. And we have a very easy life, I think, as Americans. We want to see how it is for Tajikistan.
So honestly, I don't have a lot of experience working on the farm. I have no idea what to expect, but I'm sure I'll get my hands dirty and do some hard work today.
бале, ман фикр мекунам ки шумо алакай пай бурдед ки мо ба он хонае омадем ки имрӯз дар ин хона шумо на танҳо меҳмон мешавед, балки мисли соҳиби хона мешавед. Шумо тайёр ҳастед?
Yes, please. Starting.
Welcome to our house. It is my father and my mother and to my sister. Welcome to our house. I'd like to see you.
бале, бисёр хуб. чикор мекунем?
Марҳамат. Боз дастор меши, хона меши.
вақти он расидааст ки мо бояд ки ду тақсим шавем, яъне ки мардҳо барои кори воқеан пайвастагӣ дорад бо мардҳо ба саҳро мераванд, занҳо бошад ба коре ки пайвастагӣ дорад бо хона ва махсусан омода кардани хӯрок ва хӯроки нисфирӯзӣ барои мардоне ки дар саҳро кор мекунанд.
That's a lot harder than it looks. Yeah, no, it's awesome. It's really good.
It was pretty tough. I mean, learning everything is tough, and to see how expert, like the women's hands, like they just know how to shape things and cut things and mold the bread. But I think the scariest part for me was when I had to go into the oven and put the bread. Got one chance, you could drop it into the ashes, and you could just one chance right onto the side of the tandoor, and whew, I was very scared to do that. And luckily, all of them stuck to the side, but one of them, my first one, is dripping down. Which is very funny. But
Whew, great, doing good. Just spend my afternoon in the sunflower field here. Find some scarlet tomatoes here, some pomidor. It's hard work. I mean, can you imagine doing this every day? Like, I'm having to work out here in the hot. I have a lot of respect for the people that do this.
ба оилаи Амрикоӣ мо ба чет ба лора ташаккури зиёд ба оледолакон ба Агар ки имрӯз моро қабул карданд. Ман то ҷое ки медонам барои шумо махсусан барои масалан ин рушди хоҷагидории шумо сафорати Амрико сампарастӣ кардааст, ҳамгузорӣ кардааст. Мегуфтед ки чӣ гуна ёрдам карда будам барои
I see how much work and love goes into the food because we have it easy a lot of times in America with getting things fast and easy. And I think it's not only just about the hard work that goes into it, but I think it's actually nice being around other women and making it with other women, which we don't do in the States. It's one woman or one person, or maybe a husband or wife, but doing it with other women I think is really nice, and I learned a lot from them.
So the things I did today are things that, I probably won't have access to, like, working in a field like this, shoveling the hay. But the things that I'll take with me are the sense of hard work and pride in doing a hard day's work. Also, staying humble about your circumstances and appreciating what other people do.